Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to share with you my top 13 shortcuts in Houdini that will not only speed up your productivity but also help you keep your network neat and organized. Switching wire style. Well, it doesn't make you faster, but it can have effect to have a more pleasant, organized look. So Shift S, and you can switch back and forth for the curve and the straight line. Adding dots also can help you have a neat network. So Alt and left mouse button, and you can create those dots that help you to guide. But also you can pin, because if you delete a node like this, all your dots are gone. But if you again press Alt and left mouse and button, you pin them, they will stay there, and you can create new connections from there. Diving in and out of a node. So I to dive in, and you to jump out of a node. This one can drastically change your speed. Instead of like create a node and connection, you can select the output or input, press tab, or even better, right mouse button, and you already show the list for you create your new node and be connected. And if you're dealing with a big network and don't want to be zooming in and out, just Alt and left mouse button, and you can choose the input and output and create your new node without have to zoom in to pick up the input or the output. That can save you a lot of time. If you have to connect a series of nodes in one stroke, J left mouse button, and you just draw really quick on the nodes you want to connect, and done. We all want our network to look nice, organized. So you can use Shift A and just stroke to the direction you want to line up the nodes. So like here, and like if you want horizontally, you select it in, and Shift A, left mouse button, line up. And if you want them to be evenly spaced, just use Alt A and left mouse button, and you're gonna distribute it evenly there. You're gonna look nice and neat. It's never a bad idea to leave a note for yourself in the future when you open a Houdini. So Shift P, it creates like a post note, like a stick note that you can put some notes there that are gonna help you to remember what you're doing, what are your thoughts at the time. A great way to organize your network is by creating a box. So, you can specify that group of nodes is for something. So Shift O, you create a box around it. You can name, and also if you change it and now you have more or less node, you can use Shift M to make it fit again. So you're gonna be using the boundaries of the node. So Shift M. One thing great about the box is that you can collapse, you can minimize them. So use Shift J, and now they collapse. It's just like a small, like a one node without necessarily create a subnet for that. And you can name, so help you organize the scene. Imagine like I have a massive network with different parts. You can create boxes, and if you want to expand, Shift K and expand the box back. Your network is gonna look beautiful. This next one is super helpful. Find node. So Alt F, and you're gonna pop this window. You can type what kind of a node you're looking for, and you're gonna list there. Or also you can use the slash key. Just one simple key, and it pop that window again. And you're gonna highlight, we're gonna list and highlight where it is in the graph. This one can save you a lot of time. In Houdini, we always navigate between context, between different nodes. So instead of doing manually, you can use backtick to go to your previous window that you're using. We can go back and forth using backtick. And the next one is the quick marker. Super helpful, can speed you so much. You can create and set a quick marker by choosing Alt and a number, like Alt 1 for like the output, or Alt 2 for the object level. And after you can just use the number 1, 2 to navigate between all the markers you had to create. That can speed them up so much. So what was your favorite? Please share with us in your comment and see you next time.